Hello everyone and welcome to TaskBird Tutorials. Today we'll be walking through the process of signing up for Github.com for the purpose of earning money for your expertise in the cleaning industry. But first, what is GitHub? GitHub is a web-based platform used for version control. Basically, it simplifies the process of working with other people and makes it easier to collaborate on projects. It can be thought of as a serious social media network. However, for the purpose of TaskBird community content, we'll be simplifying the way we use the platform and minimizing the steps it takes to navigate through the intricate website, making it easier for you to be a part of the TaskBird community on GitHub. Okay, so let's begin by opening your preferred browser and using the search bar to type in github.com. Doing this will bring us to the main page, and in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you're going to see two buttons. Today we'll be clicking Sign Up. Enter the email that you want to associate your account with. There will not be a white drop-down box like you see here on my screen when you sign in. Next, we'll create your password by following the requirements below the text. Again, there will not be a white drop-down box. You will only need to put in a password once, so it's a good idea to click the button here to make sure that you can see what you're typing and to make sure it's correct. Lastly, create a unique username. The one that I have chosen is very similar to the email, but doing that is not necessary. However, the username will be public and it will be how other users refer to you. If you do not want to receive product updates via email, you can type the letter N. Next, we're going to verify an account by completing this puzzle. You don't need to know what a spiral galaxy is. To pass, you just click on the galaxy that has the most spiral-like form to its wings. Now we'll be sent a launch code to our email that we put in earlier. Go to your email in a separate tab and open the message from GitHub. Here we can see the 6-digit code is 220381. Type this code into the spaces here and the page will automatically launch. Okay, so we've made it to the welcome page on GitHub. Now, how many team members you'll be working with? Click Just Me. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be selecting teacher, but it really doesn't matter which one you select. So as I mentioned before, we're going to simplify the way that we're using GitHub. So we actually don't need to select any specific features on this page. Here, of course, we want to use the free version, so we'll scroll down and select the free version of GitHub on the left, and we're going to be launched into our very own repository now. So the next step is setting up our profile. Right here in the middle of the page is the Introduce Yourself area. Click Continue to edit what users will read about you when they click on your profile. This is called the README MD and will be the page that shows your Introduce Me text. So now we're going to fill out the text on this page by simply clicking on the line where we want to edit. Delete the dots to make space for your own text. The username will automatically fill in, so we'll go ahead and fill in line 2. And say what we're currently learning about is how to clean commercial buildings. And next is line 3, where let's just say we're looking to collaborate on TaskBird content. So we'll fill these in. They're completely customizable. And after we write about what we're wanting to collaborate on, the most important part of the Introduce Me is how to reach me section. Fill in the email that you would like to be contacted through for anything regarding the content that you submit. Again, this is completely customizable, so write anything about yourself or the company that you're a part of, as it is a great way to increase the reach that your company has inside of a community filled with industry professionals. Directly above the text is a preview button. By clicking this, you can preview what other users will see when they view your README page. Alright, everything looks good, and from here we're just going to check it over a couple more times and scroll down till we see a bright green commit button in the bottom left. Once you click the green commit button, all the changes you have made will be finalized and your README page is ready to go. Okay, so we're almost done setting up our account. Next, we're going to edit our profile. In the upper right hand side of the same page, click the circle which represents your profile and select Your Profile from the drop-down menu. On the overview of your profile page, you'll go to the left-hand side of the page directly beneath your profile picture and click Edit Profile. You'll want to type in your name to the first box here, and then anything you want people to know about your company, You could write about why you're a cleaning expert. I'm going to say that I'm a cleaning company owner in the USA and we specialize in commercial and residential buildings. Again, you can write anything you want in this bio, anything that describes you as a cleaning expert or expert in your field. Along with your README MD file, this bio will give everybody in the community a good idea about who you are and why you're an expert and the value of the content that you're delivering. Then I'll put in my company's business name in the next box, followed by the location, which is USA, and then the company website. Feel free to put in a Twitter, but it's not necessary. And once you feel like you're satisfied with your profile's bio, you can go ahead and click Save. Now, we'll click here on the default profile picture on the left side of the screen in order to edit it. You'll be directed to this page where you'll click on the edit button followed by the upload photo inside the profile frame on the right side of the screen. You'll then be able to select a photo from your desktop. At this point, the recording inconveniently jumps. However, once you've chosen a photo from your drop-down folder, all you'll have to do is select Open at the bottom right of the drop-down finder, and this will automatically upload your photo as your official profile picture. Now, by clicking once in the search bar, you'll see an option to jump back to your main page. Simply move your cursor over the option, it'll turn blue, click on it once, and you'll be back on your main page. So your profile has been set up, and it's time to start earning through the TaskBird community content page. So we're going to find that by clicking in the search bar in the upper left-hand side of the screen and typing exactly as you see on the screen, TaskBird/community-content. Once this has been typed in, three options will drop down from the search bar. Only one of these options is important to us, and the third option is all of GitHub, which we'll be using to find this repository. Single click this option and we'll be brought to this page. Now you'll single click this TaskBird community content link. With a single click, you'll be brought in to the TaskBird community content and you'll immediately see the How It Works file. Go ahead and read it over, explore the page, and start earning through content created for TaskBird.